Victoria is ignition saturated when it comes to bushfires. There are lots of reasons why a fire in Victoria can start and then become more destructive and deadly. First up, Victoria is full of flammable plant life that easily catches fire in extreme heat. From dry grass in the Western Plains to forests full of eucalyptus trees in lush hills and valleys. This vegetation is arguably denser than in other states and territories. In dry years, this plant life creates massive long tracts of potential fuel for an inferno. Secondly, hot, dry desert air sweeps in regularly over South Australia, parts of New South Wales and Victoria. But Victoria is also closer to Antarctica. Cold blasts in from the Southern Ocean. This mix of powerful winds creates extreme fire danger. Dry lightning storms can also happen, and the mix of winds is powerful and dynamic. Bushfires can easily travel more than 25 kilometres an hour pushed by strong winds, and the pace increases when going uphill, doubling in speed every 10 degrees. Gusts can also push embers and bark from trees kilometres ahead of the fire front. Adding to the danger are those dramatic wind shifts that happen here in Victoria. A bushfire pushed in one direction, say 10 kilometres in length, but 1 kilometre in the front is only a danger this way. But sudden changes in wind direction as a cool change hits can see that 10 kilometres length now be the fire front. And suddenly new towns are in peril. And here's another major factor. Victorians live, work and play in most of the state. There are more than 7 million people living in Victoria. And while most live in Melbourne, there are towns, campsites and holiday homes spread out. More people means more chance a fire could start intentionally and accidentally. But it also means when a fire starts, it's more likely going to be a threat and be destructive to people. This becomes clearer when we look at the rest of the nation. There are bigger populations in larger jurisdictions. There are actually more fires in Northern Australia. But when they do happen, they usually aren't near people or infrastructure. In Victoria, when fires happen, they can easily intensify and become devastating, destroying homes and threatening lives.